country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I
proud
am proud of
its rich
its rich
and very taste.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and my people,
and my people.
and pledge my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
as prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you, sir.